Hey, ngiyakhuleka nina wey'ngane zethongo. Bhodloza amafa inkosana ishintshane somoya. Mavula vala emzini madoda. Numzana amanzi umqingeje. Yabo, udubula madubulani iy'ntombi zasezweni. Kunjalo-ke madoda, ayijiya nje. Yona impela-ke le inyanga elapha ekhaya. Ya. Sangibingelele namhla. Hey. Ya, sengibuyile. Athi-ke sithinte lolu daba. Okay, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngomsamu namhlanje. Angikwazi ukukhuluma ngomngoma ngingakhulumanga ngomsamu. It's very important. I can't miss that. Just like how I spoke about Idlozi the other day. A very integral part of UbuNgoma as well. All right. Yeah, spoke about quite a lot of stuff. Bingelele mathwasami bonke, bingelele abafowethu, odade bethu, ogogo omkhulu. I want to greet everybody, my matriarchs, Jamaica, Switzerland, Australia, all over the globe, guys. Sabina Park, Port of Spain. Hi guys, I'm here. All right, I'm gonna do it in English. I tend to forget. Hey, Askis, sorry. I want to talk about Umsamu, your altar, today. All right. So, when I talk about the altar in terms of UbuNgoma, I want to talk about it in two forms. All right. A physical form of being like an actual place where we come here, we cut this here, we do this here, we burn this here, we pray here, we worship here, etc., etc. And the second form of Umsamu, or your altar, being you, your body, yourself, because this thing is not the same, right? Some people have to have a physical altar. Some people, they don't. Hence, some people, even when you have to heal them, or if they come for consultation, for example, some people will tell you to know, with me, you have to come to my place, which is my altar, whatever. Then you get other people like us. We can do it anywhere. We can be at the airport. We could be high in the mountain. I'll tell you, we'll be see what I mean? So that's the first phrase that we need to understand in terms of Umsamu fan. Alright? Yeah. Abanye bazokutshela another more advanced or fancier word in terms of iziko lomnotho. Alright? Nakhona futhi there are ways. Kunezinto futhi nakhona depending on what type of Umsamu a person has. The type of people that they want the type of people that are living within you, ukuthi bafuna usebenze kanjani. Abanye bayisebenzisa iy'nkambi, impande. Ikhona impande iziko lomnotho. But that's a topic for another day as well. All right? So it's very important to understand that Umsamu is divided into two. All right? Which controls how you operate. It controls how you work. Because not everybody has to come Ashisimbebo, as she say in. Some of us just need to call upon it. That's all.